Hey everybody, it's CJ from OcularCMS. Today I'm going to show you how to create a form. In a previous video I showed you how to edit form properties and fields of the form, but the question is, how did that form get created in the first place? And that's what I'm going to show you. So let's click on the menu, and you do have to be in advanced mode, so if it says switch to advanced mode, go ahead and click that. Otherwise, click on Manage Site and then Forms. On this page you'll see any and all forms that exist for your site. A quick distinction between forms and database forms. A form, as I'm showing you here, is simply a generic form that shows on your website that when somebody submits the form, an email gets sent to the administrators of the website containing the data that they submitted. The other type of form, a database form, is one in which a user submits the form, but that data not only goes in an email to the administrator, but it also ends up getting saved into the database table. Completely different forms. If you are looking for the latter, the database form, go ahead and click on this link and check out the other demo video regarding database forms. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to simply create a regular form, and we do that by clicking on the Create New Form button. We give it a name. We type in one or more email addresses. These are the emails that are going to receive the submitted data. In other words, these are administrators of the website. If you have more than one email, just separate them by commas. Next we have the from name. This is in the email that's going to the administrators. This is the from name that the email will be coming from. So for example, admin or support or something along those lines. After the form is submitted, display the following message. And you can type in a message, and this will be what is displayed on the page when the user submits the form. Instead of displaying a message, you also have the option to redirect them to a different page. For example, a thank you page. Thank you for contacting us. Thank you for subscribing. This is very useful to have this type of page for conversion tracking as well. The final option is to send an autoresponder or not, yes or no. And what this means is that if you do select yes, once the user submits the form, they are going to receive an auto-response email. And you can word the email. You can put the wording of the body of the email right here, the from of the email, so you might want to put your business name or your name, the subject line of that email, thanks for contacting us, or something along those lines, and whether or not to include the data that they submitted in the form along with that email or not. And when you're ready, just click Create, and that's it. It will be created and available here. To add the form to your site, I'm going to go back to Edit mode here, and it's already on the Contact Us page, so I'm going to go to a different page, let's say on the About Us, just to illustrate how to add a form. Let's say I want to add it down here. In the toolbar, there is an icon that if you hover over it, it says Insert a Form. And if I click on that, we've got standard forms as opposed to the database forms that I mentioned previously. Right here is a form that I created, and I'm going to click on that, and you'll see that it inserts it right into the page. If that is what you want, then go ahead and publish or save as a draft to save your changes. And that's it. That's how you create a form and add it to your website. Hope you enjoyed. Take care.